Hi everybody, this is AutoTech. Today we're installing 2018 BMW X1. In this video, I'm going to show you the features that come with the system and how to use the system as well. Okay, this system, let's talk about the hardware specification of the system first. This system comes with the newest version of the Android 10.0 and comes with the 4GB RAM, 64GB storage memory. You can also upgrade it, okay? This system also comes with the 1970 by 720 high definition screen. This one also comes with the built-in wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well, okay? So first of all, let's start from the navigation. This is the navigation right here. The navigation is offline. You do not need to connect any Wi-Fi to use the GPS. How to use the navigation? You just need to click on the bottom right corner here and then new row, address, and then you can enter the address right here. Alright. And then pull down a little bit from the top, you can see the home button right here. This system also fully compatible with the iDrive. You can also use the iDrive here to control the screen. You can also use this one to control the screen right here. Everything is fully compatible. This one also comes with the dashboard right here. You will also show the RPM and also the speed right here. Okay, you will also show the door status here. When you open the door, you will also show it right here. Pull down a little bit from the top, you will go back to the home button right here. This system also comes with the EVO. So you can see that it will come with the EVO interface right here. You can change this one to full screen, okay? You can change this one to full screen. How to change the full screen? Just go on the setting, go to the factory, click on the 1314, okay? And then go to car display right here. And then you can change the 6.5 full screen right here. And then when you go on the 6.5, you will become full screen. It's very nice, okay? And this is also fully compatible with the original camera. It's very nice. This is original camera right here. It's fully compatible with everything of the original manual, okay? When you hold the manual button on the iDrive for 3 seconds, you will switch back to the original one. Right here, you just need to click on the manual button for 3 seconds. And then you will switch back to the new one. You code another 3 seconds, and then you can switch back to the original one. This is very important, okay? This system does not come with any amplifier. How they produce the sound, you will come with the USB auxiliary adapter. So when you want to watch the movie on YouTube or Netflix on the system, any sound from the system, you will go through the USB AUX. You can see that. USB AUX source, okay? Click on this one. When you see this menu, then that means it's activate the adapter successfully, okay? And then you can click on the screen and then you can play the music here. Just keep that in mind, it's fully compatible with the steering wheel control. Everything is fully compatible, okay? You can also use this one for the voice control and pick up the phone call. Everything is fully compatible here. Click on one more time and then you will stop, okay? This system also supports the Google Map, the newest version of the Google Map. You can see that the speed is very fast, it's very smooth, there's no lagging at all because this is the newest version, okay? So you can also change the theme of the system right here, okay? This system also comes with the voice control, okay? So basically if you want to use the Google Map, then you can just click on right here. Bring me to gas station.
Head east towards Shepherd Avenue East.
Okay, so basically, when it's done, and then you fix it. And then this one also comes with the internet browser right here. You can also access to the internet, search the internet right here. Okay, it's very important. Okay, other than that, you can also, once you connect to the internet, you can also go to the Netflix right here. Alright, so you can see that it's fully compatible with the Netflix. Okay, it's very important right here. Alright. Okay, other than that, you can also watch the movie from the USB.
Unnecessary shock to the system.
Okay. It's very nice right here. This system also supports the Apple CarPlay. How to use the Apple CarPlay? Basically, you just need to bring out your cell phone right here. Okay, and then go to setting. And then you can connect to the Bluetooth. of the phone is called 123 at this situation. Alright, then you can go to Bluetooth menu of the phone. Alright, connect to the Bluetooth device of the unit. Okay, perfect. Once you connect to the Bluetooth, then you can go to C-Link and then grant the authorization on the phone. CarPlay. This is Apple CarPlay. Okay, just keep that in mind. You can also use the iDrive to control the Apple CarPlay right here. You can listen to the music right here, and you can also use the Google Map right here. Okay, you can also check all of your message. Okay, Apple CarPlay also support the split screen version. Okay, you can see this is the split screen version of the Apple CarPlay. Okay, you can see that's very nice. Okay, and this one also supports the Siri. How to use the Siri? For example, if you want to tell the phone to call someone, okay, you just need to click on this one. What's the weather today?
It's currently clear and 30 degrees. Temperatures are heading down from 30 degrees to 23 tonight.
Perfect. You can see that's very nice, very convenient. Okay, that's very important. Okay, so go back to the original screen, just click on the car and then it will bring you back to the original screen right here. It's very easy and straightforward. Alright, this system also come with support the wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. Just keep that in mind. This system can be purchased from our website www.autotechpro.com. If you guys have any question about the system, please contact us AutoTechPro. We will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.